My trunk is broken. Let's fix it. It doesn't soft close. It stays open. All right, let's open the trunk. Ta-da! We have two parts that are bad. The electronic release attached to the release button in the glove box. I already removed this part. This is the actuator that releases the trunk, but it broke in the open position so that it would not stay closed and the trunk would just spring back up. I pulled this out just to override it. Now it only mechanically latches. It is attached to that little yellow button. These are an 8mm on a little driver here. I'll pull these little plastic screws out and put them back in the new one. We got a genuine GM part. There's the part number. Let's take a gander, see if I got the right thing or not. Oh, it looks pretty good. I wonder if I can do this one-handed. That sounded pretty satisfying. Let's replace this motor thing if it's not going to be too much of a pain in the ass. Okay. Got the replacement motor fresh from China. They put these like little beefy corners on it. Tariffs must be going towards packing because that's pretty sturdy. Well, hot damn, that looks pretty nice. It's even greased and transparent. That's pretty cool. I'm going to unbolt 3 of these side bolts. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then I've already disconnected the cord. This motor is exploded. Like the brushes are like out. Completely apart. So obviously it needs to be replaced. Okay, pull the motor out. It's pretty easy. Oh, it is just absolutely grenaded. I think it's just straight up missing parts. Awesome. I'm gonna put this in the same spot. Probably just getting a video of my armpit, aren't I? Alright, take this, plug it in here. Give it a shot. Oh my god, it worked. The suck down motor worked. Oh my god, the trunk works. That is fantastic. I just gotta figure out how to get this carpet down. Alright, one shot. Never mind the squeal. Open. Trunk open. Trunk. New release. New pull down motor. Soft close. Oh, that's fantastic. I'm a genius.